our story began, of the bird who never flew. When he was born, his mother died, and there began his pain. Alone in the ice, he started to think about his life, of things he would never know. Talk to or play with, but one warm day he saw a bird, an eagle flying into the skies. So he spoke to the eagle to learn the things of life and the horizons he would never see. And he tried to fly. May the gods be his guide. For a few moments he soared through the sky, then he stalled and fell. Made he fly.